Juno and the Monkey. Once upon a time, there lived a queen of gods, Juno. One day, she called the chief of the knights to her and made an announcement. She said, I will give a precious prize to the animal who has a most beautiful baby. So ask all the animals to gather at one place. The knights obeyed and conveyed the message to all the animals. So all the animals gathered at one place. They all had their babies with them. Juno went to all the animals one by one. She saw a tiger cub and she said, "So cute!" Then she saw a giraffe calf. She said, "So innocent!" Then she saw a flat-nosed baby of a monkey. She snickered, "Ha ha! What an ugly baby! This baby can never get a prize at any rate." The monkey's mother was deeply hurt by Juno's insulting comment. She held her baby close to her and she said, "Don't bother, my dear child. I love you most dearly. To me, you are the most precious prize. I don't want any other prize. May God give you a long life." Juno was stunned by the response of the mother monkey. It opened her eyes. She said, "I am really sorry for insulting your baby. Nothing can ever replace a mother's love." The moral of the story is that mother's love has no equal. Every mother sees only beauty in her child. Follow Daily Wisdom Thoughts for more stories.